We on the record in cause number 325940, the state of Texas versus Nicoria Thomas. We on the record. And Mr. Bailiff, will you please call the name of Nicoria Thomas?
Victoria Thomas. Victoria Thomas. No response, Your Honor.
Ms. Nicoria Thomas was scheduled to be in court for the arraignment, for the announcement docket, which was scheduled at 9 a.m. on today's date of January 8 of 2021. At or about 9 a.m., the bailiff called the name of Ms. Nicoria Thomas. At that time, Ms. Thomas did not answer. Ms. Thomas' attorney, Mr. David Grove, did appear in court. Ms. Nicoria Thomas' name was called again by the court's bailiff. The time is 12:27 p.m. on today's date of January 8 of 2021. Therefore, a reasonable time has passed to give Ms. Thomas an opportunity to appear in court. She did not appear. Therefore, her bond will be forfeited. State, you have any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
No objections. Ms. Nicoria Thomas' bond will be forfeited and a warrant shall be issued for her arrest. And that will conclude the calling of the announcement docket. Now we will proceed to our motion to revoke probation docket. We're on the record in cause number 312742, the state of Texas versus Rosalia Dyer. Ms. Dyer was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. for the court's motion to revoke probation docket on today's date of January 8 of 2021. She did not answer when the bailiff called the name at or about 9 a.m. She did not appear in court at all since we've been in session. Mr. Bailiff, will you please call the name of Rosalia Dyer?
Rosalia Dyer. Rosalia Dyer. No response, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Rosalia Dyer or Rosalia Dyer did not appear in court after her name was just called again by the bailiff, and the time is 12:29 p.m. on today's date of January 8 of 2021. Reasonable time has passed to give Ms. Dyer an opportunity to appear in court. Therefore, she has not appeared in court. Therefore, her bond will be forfeited. State, you have any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
No objections. Ms. Dyer's bond shall be forfeited and a warrant shall be issued for her arrest. Is that Juan Antonio Cardenas? Oh, excuse me, Juan Antonio Cardenas Mendoza. Juan Cardenas Mendoza was required to be in court for 9 a.m. this morning. His name was called at about 9 a.m. By the court's bailiff. He did not respond or he did not answer. He did not appear in court during the court session. The bailiff has just, Mr. Bailiff, will you please call the name of Juan Cardenas Mendoza?
Juan Cardenas Mendoza. Juan Cardenas Mendoza. Response, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Juan Cardenas Mendoza, name was called by the court's bailiff. The time is 12:30 p.m. on today's date of January 8 of 2021. He did not answer. Reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Juan Cardenas Mendoza an opportunity to appear in court. He did not appear. Therefore, his bond will be forfeited. State, you have any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
Okay, no objections. Warrant shall be issued for the arrest of Mr. Juan Cardenas Mendoza for a bond forfeiture. We're on the record in cause number 323080, the state of Texas versus Nathan Stewart. Mr. Nathan Stewart was scheduled to be in court on the court's motion to revoke probation document, which is scheduled at 9 a.m. on today's date of January 8 of 2021. He did not answer when his name was called at or about 9 a.m. by the court's bailiff. He did not appear in court during the court session. And Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Nathan Stewart?
Nathan Stewart. Nathan Stewart. No response, Your Honor.
Mr. Nathan Stewart's name was again called by the court's bailiff. The time is 12:31 p.m. on the day's date of January 8th of 2021. Mr. Stewart did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Stewart an opportunity to appear in court. He did not appear in court, therefore his bond will be forfeited. State, you have any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
No objections. Mr. Nathan Stewart will be forfeited and the warrant shall be issued for his arrest. And this will conclude the calling of both the court's announcement docket and the